Sorry, I'm not letting it go. Anyways, I wanted to do survival by myself.
Fine, I will make you one.
You know what? Fine. I'll make myself one.
I'm gonna make you one. Wow.
By the way, you've got a spider at your door.
I know she's gonna get hit. And I'm going to be the smart one and make materials so that I don't get killed. I just got an achievement 10 to 9 in your face.
Shows how lousy you are of a pickaxe.
What?
Shows how lousy you are of a pickaxe.
You're still taking my little house, aren't you?
I need the crafting table.
One minute, I'm using it.
We can both use it at the same time, you know.
Take it. Take it. Why did you just leave the door open if there's a freaking spider at the door?
Because I'm a YOLOer.
Well, no, you're right. You roll in. I want your thing. You guys are downstairs. Somebody's coming or something. I still hear a spider. Why is there still a spider there?
Yeah, there's one round the back, Zoe. Hey, what was that for? Weird. You just got an EP. Probably not, actually. Woohoo, I suck. Left building a stupid house on the trees. Ain't good situation. Those you have some things you can just turn over and take my work for yourself. Okay, here it comes. So the good thing about this house is that oh my god, is that I can spy now. I'm gonna see. Yeah, I'll make a wee peek in the area. So it'll be like, I want it to be like sort of this way. So I can peep in there all I like. How do we do that? And then just get rid of this little edge. Right, it should make it look. Wait a second. Lots of things, so I can't play Minecraft. So it's just me playing Minecraft all by myself. Oh please no. It's just funny now, all by myself. Yeah, it's awesome now, awesome now. 'Cause all by myself. I don't really wanna break it now. Did that just break? Doesn't break me on it. There should be a way out of there. Great. The place is tearing apart, and I may have no way back on it. This is totally what I wanted. For Christmas this year. We're gonna have to go this way. One way or another, I'm gonna get in to my housey. One way or another.